Hi everyone, my name is Eden. Today I'm going to talk about something many of us can relate to, Samsung. We all love Samsung phones, right? They're super cool and packed with newest tech. We use them for everything, talking, working and having fun. There's one thing that really bothers us, a broken screen. We love our phones, but when that beautiful screen breaks, it costs a lot to fix it. For example, a Galaxy S will cost around 700 to 1,500 ringgit. That's a lot, right? Especially for students or people who don't earn much. So what do? We continue to use a phone with broken screen, which is annoying, or we go to unofficial repair shop to fix our phone, which make things worse and even void the warranty. Or sometimes people switch to other brand because it's cheaper to fix it. So Samsung will lose their market share. So here's why today I'm going to propose a plan called Samsung Affordable Screen Repair Initiative with a budget of 15,000 ringgit. First, with 10,000 ringgit, we do a partnership with local phone repair center. Their workers will be trained under Samsung and use only Samsung genuine parts. This means the phones can be fixed well. Secondly, with 20,000 ringgit, we will spend it, do a bulk purchase on screen. Buying in large quantity means we can lower the cost and we will pass those savings on to customers, which will make screen repair more cheaper. And lastly, and the most importantly, we will do a 1 month period offer, a discount, 200 ringgit discount for people who fix their phone. This makes things cheaper and easier for people. By doing all this, Samsung shows it really cares about customers. This will improve customer satisfaction and gain good reputation for Samsungs. This also create a brighter and better future for the customers. So let's say goodbye to broken screen, easily and affordably. Thanks for watching.